morning, children. Till now, we have learned grammar and writing topics, but now onwards, we are going to learn literature chapters also. We were following NCERT books, but from this year, we have decided to select Madhuban publication for literature. So, in 7th standard, the first chapter is I'm Not a Butter Chicken. I'm Not Butter Chicken is the series of stories. It's a collection of stories which is written by Paro Anand. And the title story features a young girl, Nitya, who had an argument with her father. And then she went upstairs in her room and she locks herself in. Though she showed this attitude, anger, but inside somewhere she had a fear that now what will happen? How will my father react? So she just kept herself inside, imagining the worst situation and the reaction of her father, and she was afraid. After some time, she hears the uh, laughter of her parents, and she just comes out to find the reason of the laughter. And when she comes out, she understands that they have forgotten her anger, and everything has moved on. So let us learn the story. I'm not a butter chicken. Let's start with the introduction of the writer, Paro Anand. She is the author of books for the children, young adults, and adults, including novels, short stories, and plays. She won the Sahitya Academy Bal Sahitya Puraskar in 2017 for her anthology Wild Child and Other Stories. She has spoken about and written extensively on children's literature in India. She was an invitee to the India Conference at the Harvard Business School in 2018. Alright, now before we start, I would like to ask you some question. First is, how old are you? And second is, are you adult or children? Think over it. Confused? Yeah, it's very natural to be confused because you are not a child and you are not even an adult. You all are adolescents or let's say teenagers. You might be confused. So let me brief about it. See, your age is the transition period. You are teenagers who live in an exhilarating season of transition from childhood to adulthood. Teenagers are fundamentally different from children and adults. And adolescence is a time of great change for teens. Adolescence is a season of fast paced development in five key areas: moral, social, physical, cognitive, and emotional. It is that particular stage of your life where you are losing your childhood identity and now you are desperate to adopt a new identity of adulthood. Teenagers going through this transition think, feel, and behave differently than children or adults. As a result, we can see some change in their behavior, like they start developing more independent attitude. They generally misunderstand parents or teachers or elders emotions. They become reactive. We will see this in a character of Nitya also in chapter. In fact, the chapter starts with the argument of Nitya with her father. She shows her egoistic attitude and says, I'm not a butter chicken, you can't order me. And she just went away with the anger. So, these kind of attitudes we generally find in teenagers. They become impulsive, they do not think about the future, they are so energetic, so they take the decision very fast. They are risk taking, adventurous, they are naughty sometimes, playful, and full of bubbling spirit. You might be thinking that why I have not started the chapter and I'm talking about all these things. But yeah, it was very important for you to understand the base and the characteristics of the adolescents, which will help you really lot to understand the character of Nitya and understand yourself also as a teenager. Understood? कुछ समझा? Now look at this web chart. It is on the very first page of your chapter. With this activity, pre-activity, we have to get start. So maybe you cannot see it clearly. That's why I have written it also beside the web chart. In the center, there is a circle in which it is written teenager, and the 5 circles around that we are given 5 things and then blank. 5 titles are: first is thoughts. That means here you have to write 3 to 4 different types of thoughts you generally have. Then comes interest. At your age, what kind of interests do you have? Then in worries, you have to write for which thing or for what you are generally worried about. And then finally, you have to write the advantages and disadvantages of being adolescent. So this is your home activity. Now let's have some fun. Let's watch video animation for the chapter. Are you ready? All right, let's watch.
I'm not butter chicken.
I'm not butter chicken. You can't order me.
Nitya felt like her tongue had let her down. It always did. She could never control it. Your tongue is too long for your mouth, she was often told. Sometimes it said things that she herself would never, could never, even have dreamt of. But it was a pretty smart thing to say. She couldn't believe it was she who said it. Her tongue was so agile and smart, too smart for its own good, too long for its own mouth. How could they be laughing? What were they laughing at?
Nitya, come down. You've got to see this.
You've got to see this. You're right. My darling butter chicken, I can't order you.
So, dear children, now we will end our video here, and in the next video we will start with the explanation. Line to line explanation will be done, and after that we will go with the exercise solution. So for today this much is enough, and before we end the video I will give you some words which you need to learn. You can refer dictionaries for knowing the meanings, and you can just write down them also, because literature is the source from where we can enrich our vocabulary. Okay, so do focus on the new words and try to remember them, and from now next video we will start the explanation. All right.